Welcome to Mondays with Melissa. Today I want to talk a bit about what to bring to your initial consultation to get the most out of our meeting. So when you call our office to make an appointment, we will send you a questionnaire to fill out to try to help you get all of your information into one place. But some important things to bring with you are prior documents. So if you have a power of attorney, a healthcare proxy, a living will, a trust, your deed, so we can see how everything was set up initially, and then talk about any changes you might want to make, talk about different things going on in your life that may spark some changes to your documents, just to make sure that your documents are, up to par as far as, when documents get changed and things like that, there are legal changes made to the documents. So we want to make sure you have the most up-to-date documents possible. So very helpful to make sure you bring them. When we sit down and you say, yes, I have a will, but you don't have it with you, it makes it a little bit more difficult for us to be able to guide you, and we might have to have then a second meeting. So bringing any of those documents is very important. Also, depending on what we're doing, so if we're meeting about maybe Medicaid, there are a lot of other things you might want to bring. So if you're coming in and maybe we're doing Medicaid for a loved one or a parent, we'd want to see their marriage certificate, the birth certificate, if their spouse is deceased, a copy of the death certificate, anything regarding their residence, because with Medicaid you have to prove your residence, you have to prove whether or not the individual is married, so they know what to do with an individual's budget, with an income, and of course financial statements. So I always say to people at the first meeting, it is so important to have the most recent financial statements on every account that the Medicaid applicant has, and if they're married, also that their spouse has, because that will help us understand whether or not the person is eligible and what we need to do to make them eligible, which is the first thing we want to take care of. So our consultations are free of charge. We love to meet with you. We have offices in Port Jefferson and Melville and in Garden City. And we can certainly go over this list of what you should bring when you call in, but these are the types of things that maybe you want to go through your paperwork and put some things aside so you know where they are and you're ready when you set up your consultation. So please check out our website at ConaElderLaw.com. Feel free to send an email if you have questions to mnegrin@ConaLaw.com, or just give us a call and schedule an appointment. Look forward to seeing you. See you next week.